Artificial intelligence, AI, may seem complex, even intimidating, but if used wisely, it can become a valuable educational tool. And you can rest assured, using AI in the classroom doesn't mean replacing teachers. Let's look at a few practical ways to use generative AI tools in the classroom. For instance, you can use AI to quickly and easily create study guides, lesson and activity plans, bilingual resources, texts, quizzes, and exercises tailored to the needs of each student, diagrams, illustration, and tables, and much more. Here are a few simple tips on how to easily integrate AI into your practice. Tip 1. Explore at your own pace. Start by using the tools you already know. Tip 2. Keep up with the latest developments in AI. Share tips and discoveries with your colleagues, or talk to your educational consultant for guidance. Tip 3. Raise the topic of AI in meetings with school staff and stakeholders to establish clear guidelines that everyone can agree on. Tip 4. Consult your school board for information on any legal issues and recommended tools. Tip 5. Create space to talk about critical thinking and intellectual integrity in your class. And remember, when AI is used wisely, it can truly support your teaching.